is currently underway at the Attridgeville Sports Ground. The MEC for Gauteng Education, Panyaza Lesufi, is on the podium. Let's go there live now.
Whom we shared so much over a long period, we do so with a heavy heart. The pain is indeed deep and unmeasurable. Never did it pass our minds that one day we'll gather like this without you. Because in almost all our gatherings, your presence was recognized. In Comrade Edna, we had a reliable force, a dedicated worker, a sharp mind, a combat-ready person, but most importantly, a tireless cadre par excellence. What struck me always about Comrade Edna was her absolute humility. There was no pretension. There was no sense of self-importance. Yet she was a great, outstanding person. In Comrade Edna, there was no arrogance, only warmth and friendship. There was no pettiness, only maturity, deep wisdom and vision. It is these qualities of humility, selflessness, integrity, self-sacrifice, and dedication that we should honor today. This is what we should all emulate in our lives. There are those that are in the African National Congress. If they go through this route that Comrade Edna has gone through, it becomes very difficult for us to testify for them. Because every route that they've taken, they've left people divided. Every route they've taken, they've left people in pain. Every route they've taken, they've badmouthed the African National Congress, but most importantly, they've dealt with our people's aspiration for a free South Africa. So to the family of Comrade Edna, we are proud to stand here and declare that your child was indeed the child of the African National Congress. That she represented everything that the African National Congress aspires. That we are proud that the most beautiful flower within the African National Congress is the one that God chose to pick. We are proud that she will beautify the heaven, and we are quite proud that she will brief our leadership there that there's no other organization except the African National Congress. We can release you now, Comrade Edna. It's hard, but we are ready to release you. We are releasing you because you loved this movement. You left us too early. But be assured of our commitment to serve and defend our freedom. Never will we betray you by surrendering this freedom to our enemies. There are those who listen and do good, because in this world, it's either you do good or you do bad. In this world, it's either you are selfish or selfless. It's either you use your character to build or to destroy. But in Comrade Edna, we had a good person. A humble person, a person that deserved to be praised. Comrades, we lost a lioness. We lost a key soldier on an eve of a war that will determine our existence. Fare thee well, my dearest mother. Fare thee well, our environment encyclopedia. Fare thee well, the pathfinder, our leader, our minister. To the family, time is the best healer. With time, we'll accept that she's no more. Your pain is our pain, but count on our support at all times. Keep that family, the family of black, green, and gold. We don't want one day when we come to that family, we see colors that are not black, green and gold. May I leave you with Matthew chapter 5, verse 4, when it says, "Blessed are those who mourn, for they will be comforted." Go well, Comrade Edna, till we meet again. Robalaka Khotsi. Ke a leboha.
Well, that was Gauteng Education's MEC Panyaza Lesufi there, addressing the memorial service of the late Environmental Affairs Minister Edna Malawa. He's called her a reliable, strong force with a sharp, focused mind who was a tireless comrade, par excellence, he says. Lesufi also praised Edna Malawa as a daughter of the African National Congress, a political home for so many years, for her absolute humility, lack of pretension and arrogance, and somebody who placed the interests of all South Africans above her own.